Far in a forest, there was a castle, resting high on a mountain, a castle of a fallen empire, an empire whose prince had been cast out, left alone, broken. He now lived in a small cottage, forgotten by the world, but not by fate. But everything changed when he began his journey, a journey to reclaim what was once his. It wasn't easy. He faced enemies, dodged deadly traps, and fought with everything he had. He pushed through and finally reached the end. But there stood an enormous mountain and a green flag. Legend says, whoever places the green flag on that mountain shall become the new king of the empire. Now it's his final trial. One climb, one flag, one chance to place the flag at its peak.